everybody, it's Zoe and welcome back to my channel. I am currently about halfway through my 10-week long intensive business course to get my minor over the summer, and I'm doing it all online. Today I thought I would take you through what a day in my life during this business course looks like. First thing in the morning I like to go for a walk, so normally I will go with my mom, but she had to take my brother to a baseball camp this morning, so I went by myself and I just walked around a lake that's near my house. It's literally gorgeous. It's a great way to start my day. It is a bit hot, we'll admit that, but it's okay. It gets me up and it gets me going, so I usually go about 7:15ish, and then I come back and I have some breakfast. This morning I had eggs for breakfast, which was really yummy. I then just read some articles for my first class of the day. My first class is Analytics and Information Technology, and we have a guest speaker this morning. So it's currently about 9:30. My class starts at 10:30. So right now I actually have some extra time because I'm done everything that I need to do. I'm just going to sit and do some planning for the week because I haven't really had a chance to do that yet, even though it is already Tuesday. It's fun. Better late than never.
It was really nice to just spend a couple of minutes writing out the things I wanted to do this week, putting down any big assignments that I have, as well as the workouts that I wanted to do this week. I don't often have time to do this.
I'm logging on to Zoom. Time for class. I don't know why my face is really red right there. Weird. I just finished my first class of the day. We talked to a man who is a graduate of Villanova he has an esports company he's the CEO of. So that was really interesting. I don't know much about esports, but I know a lot more now. Also, in the mail, I got this. It's very fancy from the university. So that's exciting because everyone was sending pictures about how they got these weeks ago, but they shipped mine to our old house, so we had to get it shipped here. It's just a lot of work, but here it is. I feel very fancy and official. I just have to write a quick reflection paper on that talk, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now before my next class.
Like I said, I just spent some time writing my reflection paper, just different points that I liked about the speaker that we heard and how it relates to analytics. It was really interesting to hear about the way that they use analytics not only from a business perspective, but because they are esports, just to make their games better. Then it was lunchtime. I just had some leftover roast dinner from the other night. Since I had been working most of the morning, I spent this time just scrolling through Instagram on my phone and catching up with the world.
It's currently 10 to 1. My next class is at 1. I have Principles of Finance. I usually log in about 3 minutes before the class, 2 to 3 minutes, so 12:57, 12:58 is usually when most people hop on.
Then I had my second class of the day. I had finance, and we were just learning all about how you value bonds.
Oh, that was such a long class. I do have a bunch of work I have to do this afternoon, but first I get to do my favorite part of the day. This is the best part of the day. When I finish class. So I gave myself half an hour to just do nothing and watch some YouTube videos and chill out, and now I'm going to go ahead and get started on my work that I need to get done today. So cue the time lapses.
I started out by just finishing that reflection paper that I was working on earlier, just going through and editing it for grammar and such, and then turning that in because that was due before the end of the day. And then I did my finance assignment. I was just doing some practice problems from the back of the book with my multiple calculators because I can't figure out how to really work the financial calculator in a way that I want, so I use my big calculator that's easier to read.
Okay, I finished a lot of the homework that I needed to get done for tomorrow. I still have some more I want to do before tomorrow, but I'm really tired and I don't feel like doing any more work for a bit, so I'm in my bed with my blanket and I'm about to watch some Netflix. going to force myself to do a 25-minute like shreddy workout. I'm gonna keep watching my TV show while I do it. Normally I would like put on music, but I'm in the middle of the show. I'm on the last episode of the season and I want to finish it, so this is how I'm justifying it and how I'm convincing myself to work out. My camera died while I was working out and I got distracted by my TV show, and you know how Netflix, it just plays the next episode, so I just sat in there and watched several episodes. Yeah, so then I did a little bit more work, just reading through a textbook and taking some notes, and then we had dinner, and then I actually got a little bit of a job. I do like tutoring on the side, so I was just arranging that with somebody. It's like 10 o'clock, but I'm just going to start on my pre-work for tomorrow for my analytics class. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a like, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!